firstly हामी pari cosmetics 3 different shades तर have this 4 I mean 5 I mean 6 the shade is very nice you put no Sudeshna Namaste, I am Sudeshna Maharjan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So it's been so long that I have done any beauty related video, and today I thought why not doing this one because I have got few lipsticks and lip serums and I want to share with you guys any lip shade or kasto cha म तपाईहरुलाई शेयर गर्नेछु. So few weeks ago चाहिँ एउटा इभेन्टमा I got a product from Pari Cosmetics and few products चाहिँ मलाई गिफ्ट आएको छ. So I am going to share this with you and I'm really excited for that. So firstly हामी Pari Cosmetics बाट नै हेरौँ के लिएको छौं भनेर. So this is Pari Cosmetics lip serum and this is in shade apple pop रे. They had 3 different shades तर मैले र मेरो साथी ईशाले चाहिँ we got this one अनि यसको टेक्सचर चाहिँ कस्तो छ let's see है त. Let's see. This is how it looks and यसको चाहिँ यस्तो वाला छ है. हातमा स्वच्छ गरेर देखाउनु पर्छ होला है. I think that is the better thing. तर wait. Maybe here. This is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks in my hand. यो चाहिँ लिपस्टिक्सहरुको यसो माथि लाउँदा पनि it looks so good हैन. अनि यो मात्र लाउँदा पनि it looks good. तर I'm going to show you both ways. यो चाहिँ मैले अलरेडी लिपस्टिक लाएको छु अनि यसको माथि लाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ it looks like this. It looks like this. Look at the moisture and the glow. Okay, this is how it looks and I am loving this serum. मैले चाहिँ यो 3-4 चोटी चाहिँ लाएँ हैन अनि I really love this and I really recommend this one. अनि अर्को दुईटा shade is also very nice but this is my favorite. I have tried those 2 shades to event ma अनि this one is the best one that I feel. अनि अरु चाहिँ I got all gifts है. I have this 4 okay forgot this one as well. I have this 4 I mean 5 I mean 6 total ma 7 होला हैन because it has 2 different they were this 7 भनौं न these lipsticks अनि I'm gonna try one by one अनि lips ma पनि try गर्छु but wait let me get a tissue. So I'm gonna wipe this. I don't want to but I have to. Stain अलिअलि चाहिँ रहेछ तर फर्स्टमा म लिप ओइल नर्मली नै लाएर ट्राई गर्छु है without any lipstick. So I'm gonna take few. Just one layer is enough. It is very good for like casually everyday को लागि लाउनलाई चाहिँ it is very good अनि it's very natural के. Look at this natural finishing छ अनि त्यो ग्लो पनि छ मोइस्चर पनि छ. So मेरो चाहिँ ड्राई लिप्स छ हैन so ड्राई लिप्स को लागि is very hydrating. So I really recommend this one. So अर्को छ let's try this one. This one is from Lakme Absolute and this was gifted by Madhu Didi. Let's try this one Lakme wala. So first ma चाहिँ I'm gonna swatch here. I'm gonna swatch right here. Yo organic lip serum wala bhayo and this one is something like this. This is in dark maroon or brown so it is something like this. This is like usually the more you color launदैन हैन so it's like quite different from my taste and she said it looked so good on me, so she gifted me this. And I'm enjoying this one as well. And म चाहिँ यो कहिले काहीँ like business meeting छ या कुनै वाला छ where I want to stand out वाला छ भने चाहिँ I try to wear this one. And let's swatch अर्को पनि. चारवटा product, and this first one is from L'Oreal Paris. And यो पनि Maybelline को, I think 3 Maybelline को छ. This was a gift from all the way from Australia, and I really want to try this one first. This is L'Oreal Paris, Powerful Ruby 205 वाला shade है. अनि let's try this one. अनि यसमा चाहिँ दुईटा shade छ हैन, एउटा चाहिँ lipstick, एउटा चाहिँ lip balm kind of छ. So I'm going to show you. So यस्तो छ lipstick चाहिँ हैन, अनि अर्को वाला side मा चाहिँ छ lip balm like this. And the shade is very nice. You put no, Sudeshna. Cool down. होता है कभी-कभी. यार लगाउन अगाडि नै यस्तो पारिसके मैले है. Let me fix it. I'm very clumsy यार. So पहिला अलिकति मात्र लगाऊँ. I don't know. Okay, color चाहिँ यस्तो छ. Sudeshna, cool down, baby, cool down. क्यों होता है ऐसे? How to try this now, Baba? Okay, let me just do this. अनि यो मात्र लगाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ कस्तो चिपचिप वाला फिल हुन्छ के, लाइक कस्तो स्टिक भइरा जस्तो फिल हुन्छ हैन. अनि यसको माथि चाहिँ we have to put on this thing है. यो मात्र लगाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ it transfers हैन, अनि it transfers अलि हातमा सबै लागिसक्यो मेस. अनि यसको माथि चाहिँ यो लगायो भने चाहिँ हैन, this lip balm लगायो भने चाहिँ it doesn't transfer at all. It doesn't transfer at all. त्यो के भन्छ यो lip balm को चाहिँ अलिअलि स्टिक हुन्छ तर लिपस्टिक चाहिँ ट्रान्सफर हुँदैन. So yeah, this is it, which I just ruined some part of lipsticks. They're fine. होता है कभी-कभी होता है. यो पनि अब मेटम ल जाँदैन. अनि अर्को चाहिँ यो Maybelline को Plum Crazy भन्ने छ. अनि this is अब चाहिँ सानो गर्छु है, फेरि अघि जस्तो पातला. यो पनि डार्क सेड नै छ तर यो चाहिँ एकदम मोइस्चर वाला छ. यो चाहिँ यस्तो छ. This is how it looks. अनि यो पनि एभ्री डे को लागि चाहिँ एकदमै पर्फेक्ट छ. अनि I kind of like this. I really like this one as well. अनि second last मा छ Maybelline कै, wait, Sultry Sena. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is the shade. And let me swatch it here. किन यस्तो मेल्ट भइरहेछ यार. यो चाहिँ अलि ब्राउन, न्यूड ब्राउन टाइपको शेडमा छ यो चाहिँ. यार लिपस्टिक लगाएर पुसेर मेरो लिप्स चाहिँ पिगमेन्ट भइसक्यो आज पुरै. सो यो चाहिँ यस्तो शेडमा छ है. अलि न्यूड वाला, अलि ओरेन्ज टेन्ट वाला भनौँ न, वार्म टोन वाला छ यो चाहिँ. एन्ड यो चाहिँ युजुअली मैले यो कलर चाहिँ लगाउँदिन तर इट लुक्स गुड. आई थिंक इट लुक्स गुड. Last but not the least, we have this. के भइरहेछ आज कस्तो गर्मी के So last but not the least, we have this one. This one is in Passionate Plump. Passionate Plump मा छ यो चाहिँ 320 अनि let's try this last one. अनि यो र यो चाहिँ whenever I apply this, यो चाहिँ अलिकति लिप चाहिँ कस्तो त्यो लिप प्लम्परहरू लाउँदाखेरि लिप्स अलिकति झोला हुन्छ नि. It feels like this के. अब let's try this one है. See, my lips are already pigmented. त्यति धेरै लिपस्टिक ट्राई गरिसकेँ हैन. अनि यो चाहिँ अलिकति मरून वाला शेडमा छ. अनि this is how it looks. So let's try this last one. Okay, this is it, the last one. And एकदमै नेचुरल देखिने वाला टाइपको छ. अलिकति टिन्ट मात्रै छ मरुनको हैन. अनि अलिकति मोइस्चर भएको वाला नै छ. अनि I really like this one. आजकल चाहिँ I'm into ग्लस वाला अलि मोइस्चर दिने वाला लिपस्टिक्स. अनि these are the perfect one. अनि यसको माथि चाहिँ I can wear this one as well to give more moisture and that glossiness. Look at this. So जुन लिपस्टिक लाए पनि यो माथि लायो भने it's gonna shine and it's gonna give more moisture and drama. So yeah, that's all the lipsticks that I had to swatch, and I really like this one the most. अनि अरु पनि एकदमै राम्रो छ. I really love each product. अनि usually चाहिँ मैले डार्कहरु युज गर्दिन नि त हैन. So this one L'Oreal को is the darkest shade we have tried, अनि यो लास्टमा ट्राई गरेको is also the darkest shade भनौं. So I am loving this, and yeah, that's all for my today's video. Tell me तपाईहरुले कुनै यो प्रोडक्टहरु मध्ये तपाईहरुले कुनै युज गर्नु भएको छ भने tell me how are you enjoying this product, liking this product or not. And yeah, that's all for my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.